Hey everybody, QuiZ here, Positively Progressing. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing another ear training quiz, or something I like to call the midweek musical quiz. So today we're going to be doing some intervals, and we're just going to focus on ascending intervals, so going up in nature. And we're going to be doing everything from a minor second, so a half step, all the way to an octave. And everything in between is fair game. 10 questions. I'm going to play the interval 3 times and then give you the answer, and then give you some tips on how to identify these intervals. There will be some singing. I'm not a singer. Not a singer. I am not a singer. Did I say I am not a singer? Because I'm not one. Please be kind to me in the comments below on my singing. Thank you. So here we go. Without further ado, let's start the quiz. All right, that is a perfect fourth. That is F to B flat. So something I think of here is Someday My Prince Will Come. All right. All right, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas. All right, so there's some for you. All right, next one, here we go. All right, that is a major sixth. So major sixth, G to E. And the one I think about with this one is A train. Take the A train. Ba 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 ba, right? Okay, here we go. Number 3. Now what is that? What is that? That is a tritone, so that is C to F sharp. Tritone, right? You can, if you hear dominant chords really well, you can hear this in the dominant chords because that's the 3rd and the flat 7. And if you want to think of a song, you could think of The Simpsons. Right, The Simpsons. There's probably other tunes that have it. I know there's more, and someone can comment below, but you can think of The Simpsons there. All right, here we go. Number 4. All right. All right, that is a major second. That is D to E. Something I've heard a lot in the past 4 years. This song. Right? Baby Shark. You can think of a major scale if you want. So anything you think of, that's just a major second. Right? All right, moving on to the next one. Number 5, we are halfway there. All right, that is bigger. That is a bigger interval for sure. All right, that is a minor 7th, D to C. One thing I think of is that pure imagination, right? So it's the 1st and the 3rd note of pure imagination. So it would go like this. Bo do da, and then you sing the 1st and 3rd. Bo ba, right? Bo ba, bo do wa, bo bo ba, bo do wa. Oh, that's way up there. Not a singer. All right, here we go. Number 6. Ooh. Okay, one more time. That was my ankle that just cracked. All right, that is an octave. So E flat to E flat. And this one you can think of Over the Rainbow. All right, moving on to the next one. We are on, what is this, number 7. Number 7, here we go. All right. One more time. Okay, that is a perfect fifth. A flat to E flat. If you think of Star Wars, put my little nerd cap on. Right? This is number 8. Okay, close interval. One more time. Okay, that is a minor second. That is B to C. Hear that clashing. Now if we were to go faster, all right, we got the Jaws song, the Jaws theme song, and then you can also think of Bye Bye Blackbird. Ba 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 be da da, pack up all your cares and woes. Be do do, be do do. I can't sing that low. I can't sing at all. Bye bye Blackbird. We are on, what number are we on? Number 9. We have 2 to go. Number 9, here we go. One more time. Okay, that is a minor third. So minor third. So that is F sharp to A. And you think of the bird tune Confirmation. Ba ba do da ba da ba do do de de ba ba ba. Right? Confirmation. All right, last one. Here we go. What are we doing? Oh, here we go. All right. So what is that? B flat. So we got B flat to A. So that major 7th. And you're thinking Don't Know Why by Norah Jones. If you don't know the song, it's a great tune. Look it up. But it goes like this. I waited for the sun to go. Something like that. I don't know why I'm singing now. So how'd you do today? Let me know how you did below. Let me know if you like this format of the intervals. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Until next time, later.